Thursday. Today we're going to have a quick little mini lesson on writing a fraction. And it's called actually naming a fractional part of a set. If you have a set of something, it means you have a group of it. So if I was talking about a fractional part of boys and girls, so I'm just going to draw a picture to show this for us today. If I have 5 kids, 3 of them are girls and 2 of them are boys. Maybe they're in my class, they're in my after school program. Okay, 3 of them are girls and 2 of them are boys. And I want to know what the fractional set is of how many girls there are. Well, I could say there are 3 girls out of 5 kids. Okay? Or I could say 3/5 of them are girls. Well, what did that mean? This top number was what I was asking for, girls. The bottom number, that's your total. Okay, the bottom number is the total number that we're talking about. In this case, we are talking about 5, so that's why 5 is my fractional number on the bottom. Okay? Now, let's say that I have some playground balls of sorts. We have basketballs that I have here on the bottom. I have baseballs, and I have a football. Okay, so these are the baseballs. These 4 are baseballs. We have 3 basketballs, and we have 1 football. Okay, what fractional part of this group of balls is a football? Well, how many footballs do I have? I have 1. How many total balls do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/8 are 1 out of 8 are footballs. What fractional part are basketballs? What fractional set are basketballs? Well, move this up a little bit. We still have 8 balls total. That number doesn't change. But how many of them are basketballs? 1, 2, 3. So 3 of them would be basketballs. So 3 out of 8 are basketballs, or 3/8 are basketballs. Okay? This is something that we are going to continue to work on as we go through. This is not the last time that you will be seeing fractional part. So let's just keep working on it as we move through our lessons in our year. Go ahead and grab out your class practice lesson number 59. We're going to get going right away on that today. Today's date is 12/10/2020, or remember, you could write it out as December 10th, 2020. This is how you would write it in digits, and this is how you would write it in your regular form. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get started. Raquel had 3 dimes and 4 pennies. Her sister gave her 2 dimes. How many dimes does she have now? Okay, she started with 3 and she got 2 more from her sister. So how many dimes total? 3 plus 2 is 5. How many pennies does she have? She still has 4. So how much money is this? Remember that I can have my D and my P for my pennies and dimes. There were 5 of the dimes and 4 of the pennies. Put the cents in at the end. 54 cents. You could also count this out by tens and then add your 4 extra. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then count by ones. 51, 52, 53, 54. Either way is great. Number 2, we are going to need 3 different colors. You need blue, you need red, and you need yellow. So I have my blue, red, and yellow. I have my markers today because that's what I had available. You should be using crayon or colored pencil. Whichever you'd like, crayon or colored pencil, not marker, because remember, it will bleed through. All right, so it says color 1/2 blue. So I need to find out which of these circles is cut into 2 equal pieces. That's here. Now I need to color 1/2 of it blue. Okay. Then I need to color 1/4 red. So I need to find which of my circles is divided into 4s. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And I'm going to fill in one of them. Does it matter which one? Nope. Doesn't matter which of the pieces, just one of them. And then I have my yellow. It says color 1/3 yellow. Once again, it does not matter which piece you choose. Just make sure it's 1/3. You will need these same colors for the back side of your paper, so you might want to keep them out and ready to go. All right, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. 23, 47, 50, and 32. My smallest number that I see is 23. Then what? What comes after 23? 32. And then what? 47 or 50? Which is smaller? 47 and then 50. Number 4, draw 12 shoes and circle the pairs. It does not have to be anything fancy. As you can see, my shoes are not fancy. Okay, and now I need to circle the pairs. A pair is 2. How many pairs of shoes did we circle then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pairs. Something in your classroom that's about a foot long. Something about a foot long would be our whiteboard, our individual whiteboards that we would be using. And name something in the classroom that's about 3 feet long. 3 feet long. The bookshelf. Okay. Number 6, find our sums. We first need to look to see if we have any sums of 10, which we do. 7 and 3 is 10. Then we're left with 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 10 plus 5 is 15. Let's go ahead, please, and do these last 2 problems. 5 plus 4, 9. Now I can go to my dimes. 2 plus 3 is 5. And my last problem, 17 cents plus 72 cents. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, now that we've done the front side of our sheet together, first grade, the back side is for you, for your homework, to show me that you heard and understood what we are going through. If you do have any questions, please make sure that you reach out, ask an adult for help, reach out to me if you need some extra assistance as well. When you're done with this sheet, this needs to end up back into your Thursday folder. Have a great day.